Wow, I can't believe in a couple of days it's almost going to be the new year. If you're watching this video, it means that you want to be ready for the new year, but you don't know where and how to start and what you can do. So let me just help you what I did to start my new year. It took a couple of days for me to do these steps, but then I right now feel so excited. You can tell that from the energy that I am having right now, that I am actually excited and energetic for this new year, and I'll help you with those steps right now. Nothing feels better than a clear space and a clear mind to start something new. So then why not start the new year with a clear and a fresh space? Start decluttering your entire home. So like your wardrobe, your bedroom, your kitchen, your study table or your workspace, whatever it is. Start getting rid of the things that are no longer serving you. Maybe find a better home for them. Doing this will first help you create a space which is more welcoming to you as well as for your new year. Take account of your finances. This is the right time to see how you progress through your finances, in the overall year. So this will help you find out maybe you have some excess savings that has been left. So instead of just going out and blowing it on the New Year's Eve, you can make a plan and start investing that money or do some lump sum investment, or maybe save it up for some goal in the future. If you have not saved, not a problem. This is the right time to start putting in that discipline that is required to be responsible for your money. So when that new year comes and that financial abundance is there for you in that coming new year, you are well capable to manage it because you have taken care of that and got ready for your finances as well in the new year. Update your personal and professional profile. So what I mean by this is, maybe update your resume. You have been on a job for quite some time and you have not put in those great skills that you have learned throughout this job. You have an year-end review also that happens every year. So you will know what are the new skills that you have put in, so that you can update there. Maybe update your professional profile, like your LinkedIn profile, your personal blog, or if you are an entrepreneur, look at your website that is there for your business. Does that need any update? Can you give it a fresh start or a fresh look for the new year? This will help you to stay updated for the new year, of course, but at the same time for the new opportunities that are coming in. So when they come in during the new year, you are not there sitting wondering, oh, what do I do? Because you already have taken into account what is your personal growth and professional growth skills wise, and that will help you to start taking action fast when those new opportunities are coming towards you in the new year. Back up your tech world. This was like such an important step for me because with my YouTube videos, there's a lot of footage that I shoot, and then my son also is 6 months old, so you can imagine I click like 10,000 pictures of him every single day. So I had a lot of storage being occupied on my phone, and when I cleared it, it was such a fresh start. Also, this will help in two ways. Once you start backing up maybe your camera roll on your phone, you see all the pictures and you kind of go into that nostalgia, and you have a nice feeling, actually not a nostalgia, but you can review your year through the pictures that you are seeing. At the same time, it will help you to clear out your storage on the phone or on your devices that is there, so that you have a ready space which is there is a good amount of storage available whenever you have to create new memories or maybe record some new things, or maybe actually need some storage during the new year. So if you want to fulfill your New Year's resolution, start those habits from right now itself, so that when you actually start them, you are kind of in a groove, and that will make sure that you are not falling off the wagon for your resolutions. Maybe it is the habit of reading, maybe it is the habit of cooking more food in the house, or maybe it is like cleaning and organizing your space, or whatever it is that you want to achieve in your new year. For those, list down the habits that you want, and at least one or two you can start from right now, so that you are already ready for the resolutions that you have set up for the new year. Yes, plan a vacation. Travel creates so many great memories, and I know you will be like, Ashwini, don't you know what is happening in the world for the last 2 years? I know that. I'm not saying just go ahead and book your flights, but at least you can start dreaming about where you want to go. Say maybe in the month of March you want to visit some new country. Think of it, what is that place, how will you go there, who will be there to accompany you, what all things will you do. So this will actually help you to get excited and look forward for that travel. Of course, you need to do all all the admin things that are needed to get ready for the new year. But if there is no fun that is going to be involved in the new year, would you want to go into the new year? Of course not, right? So maybe that fun will happen or not happen, but at least you can think about it and have some fun right now by planning some, maybe a vacation that you want to take with your family. And vacation is just an example because travel is my love language, but for you it might be something else, like going and staying with your in your hometown for a couple of days, or maybe planning some nice anniversary party or a birthday party for your loved one. So start thinking of those things from right now, so you will feel excited and energetic to go into the new. Alright guys, so those were a few steps which you can take in the next few days, and it will make sure that you will be absolutely ready and excited as well as energetic and looking forward for that new year. But once that new year comes, you will also have to make sure that you are staying on your resolutions, but those resolutions will only come true when you have English video. When you have very nice and absolutely amazing routines that can help you achieve those resolutions. So I'm coming up with that video in the next week, so make sure that you are subscribed to this channel. Again, hit the notification bell, and if this video is helping you to get excited for the new year, please make sure that you give a like to this video. Always means a lot to me. And thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next one. You take care till then. Bye.